Welcome to your channel, Secrets of Health and Nutrition. In this video, I will present to you everything that is distinctive, new, and exclusive about natural recipes far removed from medications that destroy the immune system. These recipes have already been tried, otherwise I would not make a video to share these amazing experiences with you. If you are suffering from belly fat and looking for a natural and safe solution to get rid of fat in the abdominal area, then you are in the right place. In this video we will talk about a magical drink that combines ingredients that may already be in your kitchen, but carry incredible benefits for burning fat. This drink is a combination of coffee with turmeric and ginger. But do you think this combination really helps burn fat? And is it truly effective in reducing belly fat? Let us explore everything about this amazing drink together in this video. Let's start with the first ingredient, coffee. Coffee might already be part of your daily routine. But did you know that coffee is not just a morning drink to boost your energy? Coffee contains caffeine, one of the natural stimulants that increases the body's metabolic rate. Once you drink coffee, caffeine enters your bloodstream and stimulates the nervous system, which increases the body's fat-burning rate. This means the body starts burning calories faster and more efficiently. Not only that, but caffeine also suppresses appetite, making regular coffee drinkers consume less food. But coffee is not the only ingredient that contributes to fat burning. Another ingredient can significantly accelerate this process. Turmeric is another component that can help stimulate fat burning. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. Curcumin is not only an antioxidant but also a potent anti-inflammatory. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce body fat. How does this work? Curcumin improves the function of the digestive system and helps enhance the metabolic process. It also boosts bile flow, which aids in breaking down fats more effectively. This means that adding turmeric to your coffee can accelerate the process of burning belly fat and improve digestion overall. Now let's move on to ginger, this natural ingredient that has long been used in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which is responsible for increasing the body's metabolic rate and stimulating the fat-burning process. Ginger increases body heat, which leads to burning more calories. Additionally, ginger helps improve digestion and reduce bloating, leading to a reduction in the appearance of a bloated belly. Over time, this can make you feel better about your abdominal appearance. Now that we know coffee, turmeric, and ginger each have their individual benefits, what happens if they are combined? If you are wondering how to prepare this magical drink, don't worry, it's very simple. First, prepare coffee as usual. In another cup, mix turmeric with ginger, and add a little hot water until the mixture becomes liquid. Then combine this mixture with the hot coffee. You can add honey to taste for better flavor. Drink this mixture in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. When you consume this drink, the caffeine in the coffee begins stimulating your body to increase metabolism and burn fat. At the same time, turmeric and ginger work together to improve digestion, increase bile flow, and stimulate the body to eliminate fat more quickly. Additionally, turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it more efficient in functioning. The result? Fat starts to melt away, especially in the abdominal area. By continuing to drink this mixture daily while following a healthy diet and exercising, you will notice a significant improvement in your body shape. However, before thinking that this drink is a magical solution for weight loss, it is important to note that losing fat requires more than just one magical drink. It also involves adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. If you follow these practices alongside drinking this natural drink, you will achieve remarkable results. In conclusion, if you want to get rid of abdominal fat and achieve a slimmer body, this drink made of coffee, turmeric, and ginger can be a great addition to your daily routine. Remember, this drink works best when it is part of a healthy lifestyle. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Share the video with your friends and let us know in the comments about your experience with this magical drink and how it affected your body. Thank you for your attention and for watching. See you in a new video. Take care and goodbye.